Okay. Hi, this is Joe Kempe with the iPod Repair Clinic. I just received an iPod from Hong Kong, and this is a former client of mine, and he sent it to me, FedEx. So we're going to take a look at it right now. This is an iPod 4th generation. Seems to have a smashed LCD. He said also the battery's not working, so we're going to take a look at that as well. First thing is, we're going to open the corner and slide in our spudgers. Possibly use our flatbed flat knife here, very gently. Make sure you don't rip any cables. All right, take a look. All right, it has a new battery in it. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the headphone jack. Okay. Then we're going to take off the LCD, the hard drive. Okay. Looks like it has some indication of coffee or Coca-Cola. So that's something I'm going to have to look at. That's an indication right there, coffee or Coca-Cola on the bottom of the hard drive. So that's not good. All right. What you want to do is use a Torx, I believe it's a 6 screwdriver. Undo the 6 screws. It's a monochrome, so it has 6 screws. If it was a photo, it would have 5. What we want to do is very gently lift up on the LCD, help it out. Everything is so sticky. Everything is so sticky. Oh boy. My guess is this thing was hit with Coca-Cola. All right, we have it out. What you want to do is open the tension bar. We're going to slide in another LCD. A little tricky here. Try not to take it off try to keep everything nice and tight. Don't pull the mirror off the LCD. Keep it nice and tight. See, it's not going in. Very gently. When you're putting this in, kind of put it in an angle, put in the click wheel flex cable in first. Close the door, put this in. I'm going to do a quick check to make sure this is working. Using a FireWire charger. Oh, there we go. It's working. Okay. Tells me everything is connected. Got that. And put the 6 screws back. Make sure everything is planted nicely. So that was the old screen there. Probably was smashed. Somebody stepped on it, maybe it was in a suitcase, something brushed up against it and cracked. But it does have a new battery, so I'm going to guess that that battery just needs to be charged. But it came all the way from Hong Kong, all the way to the iPod repair clinic in Los Angeles. Pretty impressive. Alright. Put the battery back. Plug it in. Put the hard drive. Tuck in the cable, battery cables, and put in the headphone jack. Close it up. And plug it into our FireWire port. There it is right there. Let's see if it picks up. Just going to give it a listen. Sounds good. There it is. It's working nicely. We're going to let it charge up a bit. And there you have it.
Thanks.
That's it.
Thanks for watching.
No. Thank you for watching another episode of an iPod Repair.